Hi everyone, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Now today we're going to be talking about the pattern that I suggested for you to pick, the basic shell pattern that we're going to be sewing our size top and skirt with it. It's Battlewick 6849. Okay, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to read your pattern. Okay, and then from there, next video, I'll go through the pattern pieces itself. Okay, when you get your pattern, you see the company name, the style, of course, and then you see the style number, and then it gives you the sizes. This one is group in 3. It's multi sizes group in 3. It starts from sizes 6 to 22. So they've grouped them in 3. 6 to 10, 12 to 16, and 18 to 22. 6 to 10, 12 to 14, and 18 to 22. And I know you'll find your size in there. So this is it. And then you see the style with long sleeves and short sleeves. This is just basic that you can sew to figure out your size, and then you can change this into multi different styles. Okay, when you look at the back on the envelope, the cover of the envelope, it tells you the company's name again, and then the style number with the first initials of the company's name. So it's B6849. Then at the bottom, it tells you the price. Where I live, we speak both English and French. So of course, I'm going to be talking to you in English. Okay, on this side, it gives you the body measurements. First, it gives you the top line, all the sizes from the size 6 to the 22. And then the next line, it gives you the bust measurement. The next line, it gives you the waist measurement. The next line, the hip, and then the back waist length. And the back waist length, I'm going to show you on the mannequin. Give me a minute. Let me get the mannequin closer so I can show you. Okay. Back waist measurement is from the shoulder. Can you see? From the shoulder to the waist. That's your back waist measurement, from the shoulder to the waist. And if it's the front, you do the same. They call it front waist measurement. Okay. Now, after that, when you flip the cover, the envelope cover is the same thing. They're walking you through the same style number, but here they also tell you how many pieces in each pattern style. It says 15 pieces, so all this is 15 pieces that you have to sew together. 15 pieces, either the short sleeve or the long sleeves. Okay, let me shift so I can see what I'm doing here. At the top or below the style number, it tells you whether it's for petite, plus curve person, or tall or medium build. Okay, and then after that, it gives you the suggestions of fabric you can buy to sew this style. And then it gives you notions. So notions will be your zipper, your buttonholes or your buttons, your hook and eye, if it's a bias tape and so forth, they'll write it all here for you. And then after that, it gives you the sizes again at the top. And then it gives you the style A and style B. When you look at the front of your pattern, it gives you this style A and style B. The only difference between the two is the short sleeves and the long sleeves. Then after that, the A and B, according to the fabric width, they will tell you how much you need to buy. If it's 45 and 60 width, they give you the amount you had to buy. If style excuse me, if style B 45 width or 60 width fabric, they tell you how much you need to buy to make whatever style you pick to make. Fusible is interfacing for when you doing your color or self-facing and so on and so forth. That one, I only have two. I don't even know where I put them, but I'll get comes in black, white, gray, and I think off-white. I'll get all pieces of them, and then I'll show you when we start sewing our sizes. And after that, it gives you, this pattern comes with an optional of putting on a collar. Okay, so that one is up to you. Now, after that, it gives you the finished garment measurement. It gives you the measurement at the bust line. So that's include ease. Ease is the amount of inches that they've added to your basic top or skirt to give you room to move. Okay, and then it gives you the measurement at the hip line, and then at the width, lower edge, the circumference of the dress, how wide it is. Okay, and then from there, oh, this is all French. And I forgot one thing. Usually they will give it to you both in inches and centimeters. Both all the measurements and all that, they will give you both inches and centimeters. Okay, and then they show you all the style on the side here. Okay, the style is all on the side here. Style A, front and back. Style B, front and back. Style C, front and back. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it for now, and then next video I'll walk you through the symbols, the instructions, and how to put the pieces together and all that. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my videos, and hit the notification bell, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. See ya.